I really like my collectible phones, you know, the collectible versions for an Olympics or a FIFA or whatever. But one that comes with a free FIFA match ticket, that's crazy. And that, my friends, is the Razr Fold FIFA Collections Edition. Look at that. But before we talk about that, let's look at what's in the box. Now, for clarity, I have already unboxed this on my socials, so do take a look there. But there are still things in this box that I want to talk about. So without any further ado, let's check the phone out. Now, like I said, I've already unboxed this, so please don't be surprised by the fact that the box might not have a few things in it, which I will come to. You get a little cover which says, "Thanks for choosing our products." The cover for the phone also had that sentence on it, and we will come back to that as well. We do get a cover for the phone inside the box. It is a hard plastic case, which I am happy about, and we do get a front covering as well. Looks pretty decent. I'll show that to you on the phone in just a sec. Apart from that, we have a 90-watt charger in the box. This is a USB-C to USB-C charger, and we also get a USB-C to USB-C cable here. Always appreciate the fact that Motorola moved onto this. The other thing is we obviously get some documentation in here, the SIM eject tool, and an extra nib for the Moto Pen Ultra, which you do get along with this. And here is the case, which I will show you in just a sec. Now, sorry I ran through that, but that's basically all in my unboxing video on my socials, so check that out. But coming to the first things first is the case for the pen. Now, I really like this thing. It's a USB-C type device. It has this beautiful soft texture here, which I like, and inside you find the pen itself. And I think the pen looks really nice, feels very nice, it's small in the hand, and we'll check functionality in just a second. But very nice that they've given this little case which you can carry it around in. And the next thing, of course, is the phone itself. And look at this, guys. This is the Motorola Razr Fold FIFA Collections Edition. Look at that nice back. You've got that FIFA official design on the back. You've got that texture. And then most importantly, you've got 24 karat gold. Yeah, this here is 24 karat gold. I mean, that's a bit much, but it's good. I mean, this phone looks really nice. I really like this black look. The finishing is great. It feels so nice in the hand. And in general, like I said, as a collectible, yeah, really nice. But let's just pop this case on. Followers of the channel know that I'm not a big case guy, but I know a lot of you guys really like and enjoy your cases on your phones. So yeah, if you guys were hoping that you'll get a case with this, you do, and it will make your phone look like this. So you got that front bumper protection over here. You've got the back, which is, well, transparent, but still keeps the design there, which I like. You get padding on the sides over here as well. So on the overall, if you were hoping for a case, you get one. All right, I know this is a weird one, but always smell a Motorola box. They smell so good. So nice. Love it, love it, love it. But like I mentioned in the start of the video, if you get your hands on one of these, it's not just about getting a collectible phone. You get a FIFA match ticket along with it. At least if you're based here in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. In the UAE, it's with and with Saudis in Mobili, and you have to get this while pre-booking the phone. And this phone basically becomes your FIFA World Cup pass. I mean, that's crazy. No lottery, no draw, no nothing. And I think that's really, really cool. Now, apart from the gold badging on the back, you also do get exclusive FIFA wallpapers. There is also a ringtone, which is exclusive to FIFA. And in different parts of the world, you also get to play a FIFA Heroes game that you have exclusive access to with this device. Now, apart from being a FIFA collectible, this is the Razr Fold. I mean, just the same as the Razr Fold. You get everything that you'd expect from it. First and foremost, on that little camera bump over there, we have a 50 megapixel wide, we have a 50 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. This can do up to 8K video recording, which I think is fantastic. On the front, on the cover, we have a 32 megapixel camera, and on the inside, we have a 20 megapixel one as well. Apart from this, you have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, Android 16, and a whole bunch more. Now, I'm not going to do a deep dive into the phone itself right now because I have the standard version coming in a few days, and I want to kind of look into that and do a detailed review there. So please do keep an eye out for that. Let me know in the comments what you want me to review, and I will definitely check those out. If you want a comparison with the Z Fold 7, we can make that happen too. But apart from that, this was the Motorola Razr FIFA collection, and I mean, just look at it, guys. Wow, it looks great. I really like it. I really think it looks so good. And the fact that you're getting a free match ticket with it, all for 7,500 dirhams. I think considering the fact that like you get that foldable, the match ticket, and the Ultra Pen, everything, it all comes together so nicely. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think it's too expensive. Let me know if you think it's a good deal as I do. But I'll be back soon with the Motorola Razr Fold review. Stay tuned for that and let me know what else you want to see. But until then, my name is Danesh, and I'll see you in the next one.